Yeah, I think that guy had a rough weekend.
How come you're videotaping that?
Because I can make a movie out of it.
A movie out of making breakfast. Hello guys, that's how you make biscuit thing? Yeah. Bacon? Okay.
Yep.
My dad needs to get me some of those things.
Say hi.
Hi.
See you later, Haley. I gotta run.
Okay, bye-bye.
I was in a big hurry getting out of there, so I gotta double check that I got my keys, my wallet, sunglasses, phone. Check, 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 check. Truck breakfast. All right, we're gonna be flying through some rain. Fall is here! It's brisk today. Well, we got a temporary break in the rain. That's a good thing. Hopefully they'll get here soon and we'll leave when it's not raining. But the wet runway makes us have to go over to the long runway for takeoff for performance. Ready to go.
Rocks in these clouds.
You're right about that.
Passenger safety sweating.
Thank you.
Airstrike 682 cleared, visual approach runway 3 right, contact Peachtree Tower 120 Punana.
Clear visual 3 right, red stripe 682, going tower, call.
1 Alpha Mike, Atlanta.
Alpha Mike 11,000, go ahead.
1 Alpha Mike, expect access for the visual approach runway 8, Alpha's current.
We got Alpha, thank you.
Number 9, uniform, contact approach 126-197, 2697.
2697, 9 uniform.
Flight approach, sir, is 164 Charlie Delta.
There's 164 Charlie Delta.
This is 700 descending 6,000.
Cleared at 9 Quebec Charlie at Atlanta approach, to maintain 4,000 information, Zulu's current advice.
Set to maintain 4,000, we have Zulu, 9 Quebec Charlie.
November 9 uniform at 5,000.
Citation 9 uniform at Atlanta approach, descend to maintain 3,000.
Down to 3,000, 9 uniform.
3,000. Well, that gets us out of these bumps in the road,
And
hopefully.
682 Golf Alpha's with you, Alpha Peachtree, runway heading.
Galaxy 982, correction 682 Golf Alpha Atlanta departure ident, climb maintain 9,000.
Alright, 2.2 for 9,000, 2 Golf Alpha.
Galaxy 682 Golf Alpha radar contact, 2.5 miles north Peachtree, turn right heading 100.
Alright, a right turn to 100, 2 Golf Alpha.
Station 9 uniform, advise, Gwinnett in sight.
9 uniform, local.
Computer 372, turn right direct to Covington.
Sorry, Covington, that's Commander 372.
Let's see, we're 17 miles out. I don't see it.
Atlanta approach, Navajo 810 Golf Charlie.
Navajo 810 Golf Charlie, Atlanta.
Just departed Athens, I'm going to be VFR over to McCollum, requesting a flight following. I'm going to get on top of these clouds here and then hang out right there.
Navajo 810 Golf Charlie, squawk 0145.
You know, I see an open area up ahead, but I don't know that that's it.
I don't know either.
There, 8 Quebec Charlie, turn left heading 330.
I mean, it kind of...
Galaxy 682 Golf Alpha, contact departure 125.7, good day.
Departure 2572 Golf Alpha.
It looks like it kind of lines up with the runway 7.
Diamond 225 Delta Alpha, was it?
Roger, 225 Delta Alpha.
Go ahead.
Diamond 225 Delta Alpha, 7 miles south of 52 Alpha. I would like to request flight following to Whiskey Delta Romeo, 3,200 cruising.
See that open area kind of angles out that way?
You're thinking about the one kind of halfway up the horizon?
Actually, a little further than that one.
Charlie, radar contact.
We're still 11 miles out.
100, altimeter is 3017.
Yeah, that must be it.
You're probably right.
But 372,
yeah,
to maintain
that's what I'm
3000.
looking at.
Down to 3,000, Sanctuary 372.
You want to call it?
Yeah, you can call it.
9 uniform field site.
Citation 9 uniform, clear visual approach, runway 7, contact tower 124.1, good day.
30 visual 7, going to tower, good day. 9 uniform.
Here for the visual to 7, I'm going to come to the right a little bit to give us a base.
164 Charlie Delta, 3,700, climbing to 7,000.
Pierce 164 Charlie Delta, Atlanta approach, up to 3017.
17, thank you.
Gwinnett Tower, citation November 9 uniform, is on an extended left base for runway 7.
Citation November 9er uniform, Gwinnett Tower, runway 7, clear to land your number 2, following a Cherokee and a left base. So beam the numbers.
Roger, understand, clear to land, number 2, 9 uniform.
Clear to land behind the Cherokee. That's got to be it.
Yeah.
Hey, flaps to approach. Flaps to approach. Mission is on.
Citation November 9er uniform, traffic 12 o'clock, 4 miles, Cherokee left 1,900, your number 2, following that traffic, is able to square it off.
Searching for traffic and, Roger. I want you to square it off. The traffic location again.
Okay, gear down 4 lanes.
Oh, I still don't see him. Alright, gear it down 3 green.
Flaps to land.
Flaps on land. Just cleared off.
300. Flight slow. Flight slow. Minimums. $50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5.
Executive terminal. All right, here we go. Okay, we're squared away. Took care of the airplane, gave him credit card and license for the rental car, and we are on our way now to the hotel. Okay, here we are. That's what I'm working on right now. Challenger video. First one I'm going to put up. Just a little quick view of the room here. There we go. Okay, let's take a look out here. A lot of trees, but we also got the interstate going by. Well, we're going to go to dinner here in about 15 minutes. No, 30 minutes. We're going to go to dinner here in about 30 minutes. So I'm going to do a little Instagram live broadcast, about a 15-minute live broadcast. Say hello to people. There we go. Yep. See, I'll get a picture of the burger. Sun's not up. Time to get started. All right, how are you doing today? Good. How are yourself? Fine. Good. I decided to have my breakfast out on the little patio here. It's narrow. It's only about 10 feet across, but it's nice. It's nicer than just sitting inside. My daughter just sent me a Gary V meme from TikTok, so now I'm on TikTok. Just got to figure out what I'm going to do with it. Those affiliate links in the description of my video about what equipment I use to make my vlogs, those links are actually affiliate links, and I make a very small percentage off that if you click it and buy something. It varies, I think, from 3 to 5%. I think somebody buys something about like once every couple of months, but that's no big deal. I just wanted to put that in there as a disclaimer. This is what it is. Be upfront and open about it. I don't know what we're going to do today, but I am going to exercise here in a few minutes to get that knocked out. Then I think I want to work on a video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes and comments. And if you made it this far, you need to subscribe. That way you'll find out about future videos coming out. And if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can always toss a buck in my Patreon. I appreciate everything. You guys keep the blue side up, the brown side down, and fly safe. And as always, be good.